Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your study experience with global experiences step by step clearly. To activate your study experience with global experiences, begin by visiting their official website. Explore the various programs they offer around the globe. Select a destination that aligns with your academic and personal goals. Review the program details, including duration, costs, and included services. Identify the application requirements, such as essays and recommendation letters. Prepare your application materials well in advance of the deadline. Complete the online application form with accurate personal information. Submit your application along with any supporting document. Wait for confirmation of your application submission via email. Once accepted, carefully review the acceptance paperwork you receive. Pay attention to deadlines for deposits and finalize your enrollment. Arrange for any necessary visas and travel documents. Connect with your program manager for pre-departure orientation resources. Engage in any online workshops or webinars offered by Global Experiences. Prepare for your trip by organizing accommodation and transportation details. Familiarize yourself with local customs and language basics of your destination. Pack essentials, including travel gear and academic materials. Confirm your travel arrangements, ensuring all details are accurate. On arrival, attend the orientation session provided by Global Experiences. Network with fellow students and locals to enhance your experience. Actively participate in all planned activities and academic workshops during your program. Reflect on your experiences regularly and document key learnings. Utilize the support resources available during your study abroad. Complete any required projects or assessments tied to your program. Upon returning, share your experiences and insights with peers. Consider how this international experience has enriched your academic journey. Use your newfound skills and perspectives to enhance your future studies and career. Embrace the continued journey of learning and growth inspired by your global experiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.